Uh, First of all, thanks Hybis TV for coming here, for taking your time. This is our third edition of Hyderabad Kids Fair, which is the biggest show in Hyderabad right now. And our first and second edition was a very big hit, as all people know. So we are doing this summer carnival. Now this is the third edition. What we are doing in this show is we are getting a lot of varieties, like we are planning to get like a robotics, any scientific things which can be implemented. Till now we have gone through theories like learning skills and everything. But here what we'll do is we'll show how to implement it, how this robots are implemented. So for that we have got EduRobo, which is a very good launching product which is coming in India, and we are very happy to get them for the first time in Hyderabad, in our Hyderabad Kids Fair. So what we are doing is we are doing in 30th May to June 2nd, 4 days. We are doing this 4-day show. In this, one hall will be completely dedicated to exhibitors who will be like our international school, preschools, hospitals, dental, which are related to only children products will be available. And second hall will be completely dedicated to activity zone, where children can come and have fun, have a bumpy rides, they can do whatever they feel like. And in the third hall, we are planning to do one painting competitions, learning ability tests, and in the spot we are giving the prizes also for painting competitions, which are going to be held on 30th May and 31st May. Please enroll your registration forms in our website www.hydkidsfair.com. And we are planning this season to be a more bigger hit than second edition and first edition. I welcome all the Hyderabad people to participate and to come and have fun in our Hyderabad Kids Fair third edition.
So only exhibition
This is completely not an exhibition. Here people can come, they can buy products, they can see the facilities what international schools are providing, what are the things they are giving for children. These all things you can find in our third edition of Kids Fair. And in abilities and all in educational aids section, any toys, all those things also you will find in our Kids Fair. So till today, people were only talking about theories. People don't know how to implement that theory into reality. So this is what we are doing now. Like we are getting EduRobo. Like these kind of products will show what are the kids can implement by making a robo. This is not only just a scientific thing for children. It's a growing sector now. Like people the people are browsing net, laptops, using tablets, all those things. So this is another kind of genre where children can use they will know how to make a robo, or how can they will try to implement all those things. No, not in. See, it's not like that. Mano, what are the things we are dealing now? What we are reading, or what we are doing, trying to do theory part. Those are all coming from outside only. But people have very vast knowledge about these things, but they're not trying to explore it. So we are planning that people like children from age 4 to 14 years will come and try to explore all those things in our Kids Fair. 50 rupees for adults and 30 rupees for children. We are not putting any free but we are trying to conducting painting competitions where in the spot judgment will be there and prizes will be announced immediately.